Alfredo sauce with all of the flavor and a fraction of the salt. Each serving contains about 200 milligrams of sodium. First, put your pasta on to cook. Make sure you stir it about every couple of minutes so that they don't stick together. While that's cooking, we're going to make our sauce. We've got our heavy cream, our garlic, and our Italian seasoning simmering in a pot for about 5 minutes. Next, we add the Parmesan to thicken the sauce up and give it a really good flavor. Oh, this smells so good. I'm starting to get so hungry. Once you drain the pasta, you're simply going to pour your sauce over your pasta, stir, and serve. Voila! You've made easy Alfredo.